What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. Now, of course, it's Sunday. That means tomorrow is Monday. You guys are either looking forward to going to the new week or you're not looking forward to going to the new week. You got your job, you got your internship, you got your online classes, you got whatever you're doing, because everyone's situation is different and everyone sees the week differently. But either way, as you guys know, Sunday is still the weekend on this channel. The weekend is where winners made, the weekend is where empires built. So in today's video, I want to talk about a few of the best ways for you guys to gain knowledge. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because many of you out there probably want to see a few changes in your life. Many of you out there probably want to make a difference in your life, but you don't know what to do. You don't know how to do. You don't know what steps to take and how you can change your situation. Because I think it's extremely important that everyone understands that, life is a continuous process and learning is a continuous process. If you want to get ahead of the others, as we do on this channel, you've got to keep learning. You've got to start, also put that learning into action. You've got to find new ways to operate and continually adapt to the changing situations in this world. So in a few seconds, I'm going to dive into, more information about what you need to do to gain knowledge, what you can do to help yourself expand your knowledge. But as always, today, on this Sunday, please make sure you guys are hitting that like button. Give me those thumbs up. Show me you guys appreciate these videos on the weekends. If you guys are new around here, please make sure to hit that red button below, subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 900 subs now. We've gained over 150 in the last few weeks, and that's been amazing. Continue to keep up that growth. Added that, please make sure you guys continue to comment. I love reading you guys' comments. I love interacting with you guys, engaging with you guys. Please comment whatever you want to say, what your thoughts on the video, what you're going to do to help yourself gain knowledge over the next few days, what you're going to do to expand your knowledge, what you're going to do to keep learning, all that kind of stuff. Let me know what you thought of the video. Let me know if you want to check out your channel. All the good stuff as always. Just comment whatever it may be. And again, of course, I'll interact with you guys. Please also make sure to share these videos with your friends so we get them out to more people. Continue to help more people expand their knowledge. Continue to show people how they can gain more knowledge. And overall, continue to spread the love. But now let's touch on the focus of today's video, which is different ways you can expand your knowledge. So the first way is going to be YouTube. The exact thing you're doing right now. This is helping you gain knowledge. Now, of course, YouTube can be used for so many different things. It can be used for watching people play games. It can be used for watching sport highlights. It can be used for watching music videos. It can be used for listening to music. It can be for gaining knowledge as well. Now, again, many people use different things different ways. But I want to specifically focus on YouTube now. If you use YouTube differently to others, you use it to expand your knowledge by learning about whatever you want to learn about. It doesn't have to be purely money related, but whatever you may want to learn about. If you use YouTube in that sense, you're going to put yourself ahead of others. Why? Because they're all using YouTube for entertainment. And now, of course, I use YouTube for entertainment, but you can also use YouTube to learn. Type in anything you want on YouTube, it's going to come up. Most likely people put in their keywords, people put in their title, in their description. Either way, it's going to come up. Whatever you want to learn about, and again, it's Sunday, so it's a good time to learn, just type it into YouTube. YouTube is a free source. It's easy, it's out there, everyone has access to it. If you're watching this video, it means you're watching YouTube. You have access to YouTube. I'm telling you guys, people don't use YouTube enough to learn. It is one of the best ways to gain knowledge. It's what I do, and I think it's definitely what you guys should do. If you want to start expanding your knowledge and find new ways to learn, use YouTube. I'm not going to dive into YouTube too much because it's pretty simple. I've said it. Whatever you want to find out, go on YouTube, type it into the search bar, and trust me, you're going to find something to do, whatever you're looking to learn about. Now, the next thing I want to talk about, seminars. Seminars are a little bit different because you go to a live event, you see people out there, you meet people, you connect, you interact with people. But overall, you're going to be there to listen to someone speak or, a few different people speak. And here again, you gain knowledge. Whether that's from, little brochures they give you, whether that's from you taking notes. Either way, you're going to learn a lot. Of course, you'll interact with people, you make good connections. But the main point is, the main reason you're there is to learn. And you'll definitely learn at seminars. I have been to seminars, real estate seminars, foreign exchange seminars, and there's no way you come out of that without learning. One of the best ways to constantly adapt is trying new things out. So if you guys do want to try something out, something different, which a lot of people don't do, try out going to a seminar. If you know how to find a seminar, again, open up Google, open up your browser, and just type in seminars about this. Near me, this and that. Whatever words you may need, just type in that, followed by the word seminar. The same way you search for a blog or a video, the same way you do that for a seminar. And the funny thing is, many people go to seminars just purely to connect. There's nothing wrong with that. But again, of course, today I'm talking about purely, gaining knowledge. Seminars are a great way to do that. Go to seminars, go to those kind of events, those networking events, and listen to people speak. People who who know what they're talking about, who have done what they've done. They've got to where they want to, because they've done amazing things. They've tried things, they've tested things, they've failed, they've won, they've succeeded. But now they know exactly what they're talking about, and they want to help others. If you guys want to learn and learn in a different way, try out going to a seminar. Yes, it will cost you some money. There are some free seminars, but most seminars do cost money because obviously the people, operating the event, people who are speaking have to get paid. But you should go to those seminars because not only will you have gained a lot of knowledge when you come out, but you would also, be a completely different person. I can tell you that myself. So try out going to seminars if you've not done that before. The next one I want to talk about, reading books. Whether it's in English, French, Spanish, whatever you want to do. If you guys want to learn about something, there are books out there, whatever language you speak. And the funny thing is, it's not just about subjects like history and geography. You have music, you have math, you have English, you have so many different things. You want to learn, you want to gain knowledge, you want to start adapting, use books. You have the tools. Go to your library, go online, go on Amazon, go on eBay, go on any website, go on Google and just type in this and that. You heard the name of the book, type it in. The Richest Man in Babylon, The Intelligent Investor, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Cash Flow Quadrant, whatever it is, just go online and type it in. Like I said, it doesn't have to be about money. It doesn't have to be about one of the subjects I mentioned. But type in whatever book you're looking for. Go and look up on Google, what books are best for learning about this, what books are best about learning on that. Go on Amazon, look at the ratings, look at, who said what. I'm telling you guys, there are so many books out there that are giving you guys so much knowledge. Reading 10 minutes a day can make such a difference to your life. That consistent reading is a way to gain knowledge. Again, it's something not enough people do. And I told you guys in the past, I read about 3 to 4 books, maybe 5 books a year. And I think I should, raise that a few to maybe about 8 or 10. Reading books is a great way to get knowledge. Reading books is peaceful, it gives you peace of mind. But overall, again, you're learning a lot. Learning is a continuous process. You read, the more you learn. The more you learn, the better you are, the more knowledge you have. The better you are equipped to move forward. It's gonna help you understand, whatever environment you're in. Make sure you read books that are not outdated, of course. But again, like I said, it's gonna help you understand whatever environment you're in, whatever you're trying to learn about. Of course, if you're reading a history book, yeah, it's gonna, you're gonna learn about the history. You're gonna learn about the past. But if you want to learn about, stuff going forward, you want to learn about innovation, stuff that's going on right now, you will find those books and you can learn from them. The next one I want to talk about is one of my favorites from this list, probably my favorite from this list, and that is podcasts. So instead of you listening to your great music that you listen to over and over again, which doesn't really add any value to your life, today why not try and listen to a new podcast? It can be something you've never listened to before. It can be something you listened to in the past. It can be something recommended. It can be something completely no one's ever heard about. There are podcasts out there. Podcasts about money. Podcasts about real estate. Podcasts about life. Podcasts about growth. Podcasts about personal development. Podcasts about literally anything. If you want a podcast about something, I guarantee you someone has made it. Go check it out. Go and open up, the podcast app on your phone, on your laptop, wherever you want. On YouTube, there are podcasts. You do have enough time. You can listen to it while you're cooking. You can listen to it while you're, cleaning. You can listen to it while you're sweeping. You can listen to it at any time. While you're driving. Podcasts are great to listen to. Again, this is a way to gain information. You hear people's real life stories. You hear what people are doing, what they have done. You listen to what, others experienced. And you start to take in that information. Of course, we want to apply that information at the end of the day, but these are pointers. You're learning from other people, and that's what it's about. For those of you who are entrepreneurs, there are so many entrepreneurial podcasts out there. Learn about what it takes to run a business. Learn about what it takes to be different, to be creative, to solve problems, to deal with clients, to help customers out, to find out what customers need. Learn about all those kind of things through podcasts. For those of you who want to learn about health, go and listen to podcasts. Find out what you're doing wrong with your health. Find out why you're not, maybe succeeding when it comes to weight loss goals, when it comes to gaining muscle, when it comes to what others have done health-wise. It's all out there. Podcasts, again, it can just be a replacement for your music. You can't tell me that you don't listen to music, you don't watch videos, you don't listen to podcasts. You got to do something from there. I'm sure, you have the time to listen to podcasts. And I'm sure those will help you in many different ways. Podcasts are one of those places where you can find a lot of solutions to many problems, and people don't realize that. I think podcasts are not listened to enough, and again, it's something you guys should definitely check out if you want to start learning a little bit more. Now, let's talk about online courses. So of course, there are free courses, there are paid courses. Depending on your situation, you want to check out different things. But if courses are there and you've seen people post them and you've heard a lot of people recommend them and they're not a lot of money, definitely try them out. You see the reviews, you see, it's only 30, 40 bucks. You spend that on a meal, you spend that on, coffee each and every week. For this week, cut out that coffee, go and buy an online course. Find something that a lot of people use that for their benefit and try it out yourself. It's no good sitting outside letting everyone else eat and succeed. You got to be a part of that too. It's possible for you, so why not use it? There are so many online courses on the internet. There are so many out there for you guys to find and use. Video guides, ebooks, PDF. Different online courses come in different forms. Whatever kind of learner you are, go and find a course which is relevant to you. Like I said, it's all out there. Some are cheap, some are expensive. You guys have to find what works best for you. Sure, every once in a while there'll be a bad course, too expensive course. You don't have to try it out. The courses you might try out may succeed. The courses you try out may not be good. But again, it's just something you're gonna have to try out. I've purchased online courses and I have mixed feelings about that. We can talk about that another day. But I'm telling you, there are definitely some good courses out there. Try them out and eventually, I'm sure you guys will find the right one, which will not only help you push forward, but again, expand your knowledge, help you gain more knowledge. Now, the last one I want to talk about is getting a mentor, hiring someone who's done what you want to do, hiring someone who's been where you want to be. Hiring someone who's succeeded in this field you want to succeed in. There are, again, enough people out there, but it's up to you to go and find them. You may have friends, other people, acquaintances who have, had mentors, worked with other people and, recommended those people. Try it out. Find out prices. Find out what they can, they could offer you, what you can learn from them. And again, just see what you can do because these people want to help their clients gain maximum knowledge. These people want to help their clients gain maximum utility. They've already accumulated so much knowledge in the industry and, it may be present day knowledge, maybe past day knowledge, but they're continuing to adapt. They continue to succeed, in whatever journey they're on, and that's where they're going to help you do the same. That's exactly what they're there for. You ask them questions, you learn from them, you look up to them, and they're going to be there for you. They're going to help you out. They're going to advise you. They're going to keep providing you with solutions. They can keep you on the right path. But most importantly, they're going to help you to continue learning. And that's what you want to do at the end of the day. That's what this video is about. Learning. So find those mentors, find those people who can help you elevate your game, find those people who can help you raise your game, raise your standards, become a better person, and overall gain more knowledge. It's pretty simple. You've got online courses, you've got podcasts, you've got mentors, you've got seminars, you've got YouTube, you've got so many different forms of learning in this day and age. But not enough people are using them, not enough people know what suits them, and the only way you're gonna find out is if you try something. Like I said, you can't keep stagnating. In this kind of world, you've got to keep adapting, keep finding new ways to learn, keep finding new ways to push yourself forward, to become better than the rest. But as always, I can only say so much. It's up to you guys to go out and do the work. If you want to be different to the others, you've got to go the extra mile. That means weekends, that means weekdays, that means evenings, that means night times. Find what works for you and use that to your benefit. So overall, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, please make sure you check out those links in the description. We've got cryptocurrency, stocks, affiliate marketing, my smartwatch company, Time Gear Watches. You guys know the deal, go check that out. We've also got my socials, so check those out as well. But tomorrow is Monday Motivation, make sure you guys are back for that one. I got money making, you got learning to be doing. See you guys tomorrow for Monday Motivation. Peace.